This Newton video got 41 million views. Another one with a famous sports star gets 57 million views. And then there's this mind-blowing video of a superhero in an unexpected setting, racking up 47 million views. These are not just random viral moments, these are carefully crafted AI-generated videos. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this too. I recently came across a jaw-dropping video featuring a legendary Thanos surrounded by vegetables and fruits in a market. Yep, you heard that right. Vegetables and fruits. It wasn't just the creativity that caught my attention, but also the sheer quality of the visuals. It looked like it belonged in a big-budget ad. But here's the kicker. It was made using an AI tool anyone can access. In this video, I'll reveal the full playbook to create viral AI videos like these. You'll get step-by-step instructions on creating professional-grade content, the AI tools and prompts you'll need. The first thing we're going to do differently is to post the video across all video platforms and maximize the total amount of views and income. I know you have heard that TikTok actually pay for posting on their platform. You know, the TikTok and to monetization policies and criteria. That's why in Instagram and Facebook, most importantly, how to turn all those views into actual income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make viral videos and start a profitable social media channel from scratch. Let's get started. The secret sauce to these videos lies in the visuals. To start, you need to generate high-quality images of your character and setting. The trick is in the prompt. For this, we're going to use an AI image generator like Leonardo AI, which offers free daily credits. First, let's create our prompt. Let's say we want to feature Hulk selling vegetables and fruits in a bustling street market. Our prompt might look something like this. I will put this prompt in the description below. You can add your conditions and generate images as you want. Now log into Leonardo AI and paste the prompt into the generator. Adjust the settings for cinematic quality. Choose a vertical format for better compatibility with TikTok or Instagram, and generate 4 images. Trust me, this one adjustment will make your videos look next level. I have generated all images and prompt you are watching. I got these prompts from ChatGPT, and there you have it. Stunning visuals ready to be animated. Don't stop at just 4 images though. To create a 1-minute video, you'll need about 12 to 15 images. So generate a few more variations using the same prompt. You can also ask to ChatGPT for prompts as I did. Now that we have the images, it's time to bring them to life. This is where the magic happens. Head over to an animation tool like Pixverse AI. It's an incredible platform that can transform static images into dynamic, movie-like clips. Upload your first image and add a short description of what's happening. For example, Hulk picking fresh fruits and laughing at a market. Hit the generate button and let the AI work its magic. What you'll get is an animated clip with natural movements like Hulk reaching for a fruit or vegetable at the market stalls. Repeat this for all your images to complete the sequence. Once you have your animated clips, it's time to weave them into a story. A simple 3-act structure works wonders. 1. Hook. Start with Hulk noticing something unusual at the market. 2. Middle. Show him interacting with the people and exploring the market. 3. Conclusion. End with a twist. Maybe he uses his web to save the market from a falling stall. Use a free editing tool like CapCut to stitch the clips together. Add smooth transitions and don't forget to include some catchy music. Platforms like Pixabay offer free, copyright-safe tracks. Choose something that matches the vibe of your video, upbeat for humor or orchestral for a more dramatic tone. Here's the thing, views alone won't make you rich. To truly capitalize on your viral content, you need a monetization strategy. Start by posting your videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to maximize exposure. Platforms like YouTube Shorts pay for views, but you'll need to hit their eligibility criteria first. For faster results, consider affiliate marketing. Add links to products featured in your videos or tools you use, like the AI software. You can also collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. And here's a pro tip. Build an email list or community around your niche. This allows you to monetize directly through courses, ebooks, or exclusive content. With the right strategy, you're not just chasing views, you're building a sustainable business. And it all starts with one viral video. So what are you waiting for? Start creating and turn your creativity into cash today. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for more updates and premium materials.